We'll guide you through how to stay updated with Vercel news. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel website by typing vercel.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the home page, scroll down until you find the news section, which is usually featured prominently with the latest announcements and updates. For a more comprehensive look at what's new, click on the blog link at the top of the page. This will take you to a dedicated section where Vercel shares detailed articles on new features, case studies, and community highlights. You can browse through the latest posts or use the search bar to find specific topics that interest you. To ensure you never miss an update, consider subscribing to the Vercel newsletter. You can find the subscription option by scrolling to the bottom of the blog page, where you'll see a field to enter your email address. Subscribing will send the latest news directly to your inbox. Another great way to stay informed is by following Vercel on social media platforms like Twitter or LinkedIn, where they frequently post updates and engage with the community. If you're using GitHub, you can also star Vercel's repositories to get notifications on new releases or changes. Don't forget to check their YouTube channel for video updates and tutorials that can provide visual and practical insights into their latest offerings. By following these steps, you'll always be in the loop with Vercel's latest news and developments. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.